Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Vale House, a masterpiece designed by J Mammone Architecture, located in Megalong Valley, Australia. Surrounded by towering sandstone cliffs and vast landscapes, this house seamlessly blends with nature through the use of round earth, concrete, and charred timber. With a bold yet grounded design, it's more than just a home, it's an experience. Large glass facades allow golden sunlight to filter in, creating a perfect harmony between the indoors and the natural surroundings. The wide flat roof and sharp geometric lines give it a modern minimalist look, while its darker tones help it disappear into the landscape. Vale House is proof that great architecture is not just about form, but about how a home interacts with its environment. This home nestled in the Australian wilderness is a stunning example of how to live in harmony with nature. The architecture, with its sharp lines and dark wood, is both modern and organic, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. The carport is a stylish and functional addition to this modern home, providing a place to park a car while also enhancing the home's overall design. Framed by towering mountains and lush greenery, this modern living space invites nature inside. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls dissolve boundaries, while warm wood and soft textures create a cozy retreat. A perfect harmony of nature and modern design, this stunning home blends raw textures with contemporary elegance. The warm timber ceiling stretches across the open space, connecting the kitchen, dining, and living areas in seamless unity. Concrete walls add depth, while sleek black cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the marble backsplash. The expansive glass doors erase the boundary between indoors and outdoors, inviting breathtaking views of rolling hills and endless skies. Every detail is intentional, from the minimalist lighting to the earthy tones that ground the space. This isn't just a home, it's a sanctuary where design meets tranquility. The bedroom is designed to be a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The dark wood walls and ceiling create a sense of cozy intimacy, while the soft, white bedding and plush pillows invite you to sink in and relax. The large window lets in natural light, creating a bright and airy feel. The overall effect is one of calm and serenity, making this the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Imagine waking up to this view every morning. This luxurious bathroom is the perfect place to start your day. The sleek, modern design is accented by natural elements like the wood and stone. And the large windows offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. This stunning kitchen features a blend of rustic and modern elements. The exposed concrete walls provide a raw and industrial feel, while the sleek black cabinetry and marble countertops create a sophisticated ambience. The wooden ceiling beams add warmth and texture to the space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The curved island counter is a beautiful focal point, while the pendant lighting adds a touch of elegance.